Welcome, beautiful souls. Whether you're brand new to yoga or looking to reconnect with your body and breath, you're in the right place. In just 8 minutes, we'll walk through a gentle yoga flow for beginners that focuses on 2 powerful practices: chakra alignment and breathwork. These aren't just spiritual buzzwords. They're time-tested techniques to help you feel more grounded, balanced, and energized. Take a moment to center yourself. Notice your feet on the floor. Feel your breath. And if you're standing right now, try gently lifting into tree pose. It's a beautiful way to start our practice, rooted and reaching. Let's begin by connecting with our breath. This is the foundation of our yoga practice, the anchor that keeps us present. Find a comfortable position, whether it's sitting cross-legged on the floor or in a chair. Ensure your spine is tall, like a gentle string pulling you upwards, and your shoulders are relaxed, melting away from your ears. Feel the weight of your body grounding you. Gently close your eyes, or soften your gaze downwards. This helps to turn your attention inward, away from external distractions. Now, place one hand softly on your belly, just below your navel, and the other hand on your chest, over your heart. This simple act allows you to feel the movement of your breath. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your belly with air like a balloon. Notice how your hand rises with the expansion, and exhale gently through your mouth, releasing the air slowly and completely. Feel your belly soften and your hand lower. We call this diaphragmatic breathing or belly breathing because it primarily engages the diaphragm, a large muscle at the base of your lungs. This type of breathing is more efficient and calming than shallow chest breathing. Now let's add a counting element to deepen the practice. We'll use a technique called box breathing. Try this. Inhale for 4 counts, drawing the breath deep into your belly. Hold the breath at the top for 2 counts, and exhale slowly and completely for 6 counts. Let's do it together, following my hand movements. Inhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the gentle expansion in your abdomen. Hold for 2. 1, 2. Maintain the stillness. Exhale for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Release all the air, feeling the tension melt away. Again, inhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Filling your lungs completely. Hold for 2, 1, 2. Finding a moment of quietude, exhale for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Emptying your lungs and relaxing your body. This simple breathwork technique has profound effects. It calms your nervous system by activating the parasympathetic response, reducing anxiety and stress. It also prepares your body and mind for yoga by increasing oxygen flow and promoting relaxation. Furthermore, it clears energy blocks, allowing for a smoother flow of prana, which is essential for chakra alignment and overall well-being. Continue to breathe deeply and consciously as we move forward. Chakras are often described as energy centers within your body, acting as focal points for the flow of life force. Think of them as spinning wheels of energy, constantly interacting with your physical, emotional, and spiritual states. There are 7 main chakras that we'll be focusing on. These chakras run along the sushumna, an energy channel that goes from the root at the base of your spine all the way up to the crown of your head. Each one plays a vital role in your overall well-being. Chime, root chakra, also known as Muladhara. Represented by the color red, it's located at the base of your spine. This chakra is all about grounding, security, and your basic survival needs. Chime, sacral chakra, or Svadhisthana, associated with the color orange and found just below your navel. This is the center of your creativity, pleasure, and emotional well-being. Chime, solar plexus chakra, or Manipura, radiating yellow energy from your upper abdomen. It governs your personal power, self-esteem, and willpower. Chime, heart chakra, or Anahata, glowing green in the center of your chest. This chakra is the bridge between your lower and upper chakras and is all about love, compassion, and connection. Chime, throat chakra, or Vishuddha, vibrating with blue energy in your throat area. It's the center of your communication, self-expression, and truth. Chime, third eye chakra, or Ajna, shining indigo light between your eyebrows. This chakra is associated with intuition, insight, and your ability to see the bigger picture. Chime, crown chakra, or Sahasrara, emanating violet light from the top of your head. It connects you to spirituality, enlightenment, and the divine. When your chakras are aligned and energy flows freely, you feel balanced, focused, and open to new experiences. When they're blocked or imbalanced, you might feel stuck, anxious, disconnected from yourself, or even physically unwell. Today, we'll gently awaken and align these chakras through mindful movement and breathwork, helping you to restore harmony and balance within. Now let's move with intention, embarking on a journey to harmonize your inner self. These beginner poses are thoughtfully designed to stimulate and align your chakras, those vital energy centers within your body. Remember, there's absolutely no prior experience needed to participate fully. Just listen to your body, follow along with gentle movements, and most importantly, breathe deeply. We'll guide you every step of the way, ensuring a comfortable and enriching experience. Feel the energy of the space and let's begin. Mountain pose, also known as Tadasana, is our starting point, connecting us to the root chakra. This chakra is all about grounding and stability. Stand tall, like a mountain. Feel grounded, your feet firmly planted on the mat, connecting you to the earth below. Engage your leg muscles slightly, drawing energy upwards. Breathe deeply, feeling the strength and stability within you. Visualize roots extending from your feet, anchoring you to the present moment. Hold this pose, feeling the solid foundation you are building within yourself. Now let's transition into seated forward fold, or Paschimottanasana, which resonates with the sacral chakra. This chakra is the center of creativity and emotion. Sit with your legs extended in front of you. Inhale deeply, lengthening your spine, creating space between each vertebra. Exhale slowly and gently fold forward from your hips, reaching towards your toes. It's okay if you can't reach your toes. Simply reach as far as is comfortable. Open your hips gently, releasing any stored tension or emotional blockages. Breathe into the stretch, allowing yourself to soften and release. Next, we'll move into boat pose, or Navasana, a powerful pose that activates the solar plexus chakra. This chakra is the seat of your personal power and confidence. Sit tall, with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lean back slightly, engaging your core muscles. Now, lift your feet off the floor, balancing on your sit bones. Extend your arms forward, parallel to the floor. Engage your core even more strongly. Feel your center of confidence igniting. Hold this pose, breathing deeply and steadily, feeling your inner strength grow with each breath. Now let's open our hearts with camel pose, or Ustrasana, a gentle back bend that stimulates the heart chakra. This chakra is all about love, compassion, and connection. Kneel on the mat, with your knees hip-width apart. Place your hands on your lower back, fingers pointing down. Inhale deeply and gently lift your chest towards the sky, arching your back. Be gentle with yourself, listening to your body, and only going as far as feels comfortable. Open your heart space, allowing yourself to receive and give love freely. Breathe deeply, feeling the expansion in your chest. We'll now flow into cat-cow pose, a dynamic movement that awakens the throat chakra. This chakra governs communication and self-expression. Come onto your hands and knees, aligning your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Inhale deeply, arching your back and dropping your belly towards the floor. Cow pose. Exhale slowly, rounding your spine towards the ceiling, tucking your chin to your chest. Cat pose. Move with your breath, synchronizing each movement with your inhale and exhale. Activate your voice, allowing yourself to speak your truth with clarity and confidence. Let's find stillness and introspection in child's pose, a restorative posture that connects us to the third eye chakra. This chakra is the center of intuition and insight. Kneel on the mat, sit back on your heels and gently fold forward, resting your forehead on the mat. Allow your arms to rest alongside your body, palms facing up. Rest your forehead on the mat, surrendering to the support of the earth. Connect to your intuition, listening to the quiet whispers of your inner wisdom. Breathe deeply, allowing yourself to relax and release any tension. Finally, we'll conclude an easy seated pose, a comfortable posture that allows us to connect with the crown chakra. This chakra represents our connection to the divine and universal consciousness. Sit tall with your legs crossed comfortably. Close your eyes gently. Imagine a radiant light at the top of your head, a violet glow connecting you to something larger than yourself. Feel the divine light streaming down, filling you with peace and serenity. Each movement, each breath, each pose has contributed to creating balance and harmony within you. Take a moment to acknowledge the work you've done, the energy you've cultivated, and the connection you've strengthened. Carry this sense of balance and peace with you throughout your day, knowing that you have the power to create harmony within yourself, anytime, anywhere. Come back to a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes. Place your hands over your heart. Let's take one final breath together. Inhale deeply. And exhale slowly. Feel the calm you've cultivated. Repeat quietly. I am balanced, I am centered, I am whole. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up. If you felt even a little more grounded and clear, this is your sign to keep going. Practice this flow anytime you need realignment, mind, body, and soul. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who could use a reset. See you in the next session. Namaste.